To keep the foreground interesting, I've tried to vary the colours as much as possible. The little white building on the right hand side really helps give a sense of scale to the whole thing. The sky on this one's predominantly ultramarine blue and Payne's grey. I've tried to preserve a lighter area in the sky to focus more on the castle. I've not really gone into any great detail in the castle, just blocked in the main colour and let the eye do the rest. Unlike the previous two paintings, I've used most of the colours on the palette for this one, so you don't quite get that moody look. To be honest, I think I got a bit excited with the reeds in the foreground on this one. I've put too many in. I always like to stick a few yachts on the distant horizon. I just think it brings the whole painting, gives it a little bit of life. To be honest, I'm not overly struck on this one. I mean, the distant hills seem to have lost the form somewhat, and the foreground tree on the left, as you'll see in the next painting, I prefer to get the dark in and scrape it out with a fingernail. This is Pipe's Park in Sutton Coldfield. When I was there, the figures in the middle, they're actually sledging down the slopes. I haven't quite defined it well enough here. It's slope, there's more of a slope going from left to right. You can see what I mean with the tree. I got the dark in first and then scraped out the tree, the branches and the trunk with a little fingernail. I've tried to get the evening light using a mixture of ultramarine blue and alizarin crimson.